Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be all about movies. We personally like a lot of movies, watch a lot of them. I have a few kids and they're always trying to watch something new. Now, with the streaming options, there's so many things that you can stream and enjoy, like on Netflix, as well as all the other systems like Disney Plus and Paramount Plus, along with a ton of other systems out there. Please comment below your thoughts on digital movies and watching digital media. I want to know if you love it and embrace it, or if you prefer to go to the store and purchase physical DVDs. I do realize that people are still going to the store and purchasing movies from places like Best Buy and picking up DVDs. In this case, the Spider-Man No Way Home is $22.99 from Best Buy. Looking for the same movie here, we can see that Amazon has it for $14.99. So you'd be able to purchase this electronically if you didn't have stars in this case, and it would just be yours. You could stream it from Amazon to, let's say, an Amazon Fire TV, or even to a browser while you're on the Amazon website. You can do that as well. And you can also stream it to iPhones, iPads, tablets, or other smart devices like that, and even your Android phones. So this is a great concept, but we're going to take this an extra step. So if you purchase from here, you'll notice that it's just here located in Amazon's portal. Another thing would be that if you purchased from Apple, for example, you'll see how it's the same price as Amazon, and you're already saving money compared to purchasing the DVD. Now, there's still some value in purchasing the DVD. Some people like to have it. There's a debate that you can pass those DVDs on to somebody else. But if we're looking for convenience and not having to bother with that, and just being able to instantly watch what you need, when you're purchasing from Amazon, or in this case iTunes, you're going to notice that they're in that system, and that's about it. You're pretty much going to have it in there, and you're not going to necessarily be able to connect from a different system or ecosystem for that movie. That's where Movies Anywhere comes in, and this is not a paid promotion or anything like that. Just want to let you know what we've been using this for, and I personally love using this tool. And what it does is it allows you to connect these systems: Apple TV, Prime Video, Vudu, Google Play, YouTube, DirecTV, Verizon, Xfinity, and Microsoft Movies and TV. You just connect your accounts into here, and then what actually happens is the movies all get combined into this Movies Anywhere portal. And then on top of that, you can purchase movies from any one of these providers. Let's say, for example, from your Apple TV, and you'll be able to watch it using Prime Video, for example. They unlock across all of the systems mentioned. So here we're going to go into Movies Anywhere. This is my account, and we will go to check out my movies, and you'll notice here that we have 81 movies so far on here. And I think there's some rights and issues with some providers, like if they have a disclaimer here that Paramount, Lionsgate, MGM are not participating with Movies Anywhere. But if you've purchased any movies, connected Movies Anywhere to it, they all show up in here, which is excellent. We're going to click on the top right, and we're going to click on View Profile. A window pops up, and you'll notice that we've already attached Apple TV, Prime Video, and Vudu. Now, Vudu is a funny one for me personally, because years ago, and we'll look up here, I want to take you to the Vudu portal. You'll notice inside of my Vudu portal, I have a purchase history inside of the settings area of the counter. Oh, and if I go to the very end, click the 10 pages worth, you'll notice that in 2013, through Vudu, I got a $2 credit. And I think that's what started my purchasing of, or actually receiving, digital movies. For some reason, I received all these movies for free, pretty old, through Vudu. And if I move on, these are all 2013. You see the movies that we got, and just have them ready to go. We can watch them anytime we want. And then I believe that at some point after here, it's like Mr. Robot, there's shows are in here as well. I most likely didn't purchase any of these until probably here in 2017, I believe. I mean, I think this one was also the Expendables 2 was $2. I'm not sure why that was on promo or something like that, but that was the deal. And then here's a Lego movie. More than likely I purchased that, but I Can't remember if this was purchased through Amazon or through here or even through Apple TV. But the point is that I'm in Vudu, and down here to page 9, if I go to page 8, none of these were purchased from Vudu. So these are all movies that we either purchased, got a combination package, like promo, that were together. We were able to get the movie, and then more than likely purchased a lot of the stuff from Amazon. And I guess some of my favorite here, Vegas Vacation, is one of my personal all-time favorites. But the point is that these movies are now all available on Vudu, even though I purchased them most likely from Amazon. And the reason that worked out is back to this, where once you attach all 3 of these, the movies unlock. And you can watch them from, let's say, your Apple TV device, from any computer or Fire TV device, as well as the Prime Video app on any mobile device. And then you can also load up on all those same systems, the Fandango app as well. So they get all put together, and that's what gets us this system. Now you can also see that Movies Anywhere themselves have deals going on, and you can always check out and see what kind of movies are coming out, and a lot of good cheaper movies that are out, and you can compare it to the actual movies that are on sale with these other providers and see who's got the better price. A lot of the times the pricing is evened out and seems to be the same across the board. But you can see here on the Spider-Man No Way Home, you can see that here you have a button to say see retailers, and then you can actually shop all in one spot to see does anyone have a promo going on or not. In this case, all 3 of these providers are $14.99, which is still better than buying the DVD, in my opinion, and not having to mess around with the DVD and DVD player. You just can have access to it, watch from whenever you move from TV to TV, continue watching, and so it's pretty cool. Then there's something called Screen Pass, which is probably a little newer feature, which you can have up to 3 passes to send to your friends or family, and they can just watch the movies digitally. So you choose the movie, you send 3 screen passes each month, up to 3, and then you can manage the screen passes from the profile. And it's a pretty neat feature. I haven't actually used that, but it's available. And there seems to be some Disney movies that are integrated as well. And I think that I didn't mention that too, but there is a spot somewhere back in here inside of settings. You'll notice manage retailers, and then on the right, for some reason, you can see that I must have had Microsoft Movies and TV. I don't remember if I have any movies that are purchased there, but I should probably fix that. And then it's showing me these are not connected. I don't believe I have these or use them. But then you'll see the Apple TV, the Prime Video, and the Vudu here. And then it also says you've successfully imported your movies from Disney Movies Anywhere. So that seems to have integrated a bunch of Disney stuff as well into the system. So this is just an all-around great thing. Your iPhone, your mobile device, your Android can actually run the Movies Anywhere app as well, and you can actually go ahead and watch movies in there directly since they're loaded. You can see here it's showing you the history of what has been watched here in the app, but you'll notice that here we have a lot of good recent movies that we purchased, and I think we had an increased amount during COVID with the pandemic and not going to the movie theaters. We probably purchased way more recently. And then you'll also notice too that there's actually promos that come out for some of these movies that you might be able to catch digitally, and it's a good thing. I believe this Back to the Future Pack 1, 2, and 3 purchased those together, as well as the Jurassic World. And I may have purchased these specifically from Apple. For some reason they had a good package deal to purchase them all together. Same thing with these National Lampoons. Be aware of that. Yeah, it looks like all 5 of these. So really convenient, really nice, and I just want to let you know that it's an easy way to get everything connected and put into one location. I hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this with your friends and family. And don't forget to please comment below your thoughts on digital movies, if you love them or still prefer DVDs, or if you use a different system to manage them. Thanks.